Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Climax Tech. We are uploading ice maker related products frequently. In this video you will find the packaging may vary for the Frigidaire FIC 189 silver compact ice maker, which produces 26 pounds per day. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: brand Frigidaire, model name FIC 189 silver, capacity 26 pounds, wattage 200 watts, voltage 120 volts. Product dimensions 15x 11 inches wide by 14.5 inches high. Brand name Frigidaire, model info FIC 189 silver, item weight 17.31 pounds. Product dimensions 15 by 11 by 14.5 inches. Country of origin China. Item model number FIC 189 silver. Is discontinued by manufacturer no. Installation type countertop. Part number FIC 189 silver. Color silver. Connector type manual. Material type stainless steel. Included components machine, shovel, basket. Batteries included? No. Batteries required? No.